Next topic is discovery of cathode rays. The apparatus used for discovery of cathode rays is called discharge tube or cathode rays experiment. So what is a discharge tube? Discharge tube is a hard glass tube. This is a hard glass tube fitted with two metal electrode, negative terminal called cathode, positive terminal called anode, and these both terminal are attached with the battery. Okay, and at the side of this discharge tube, this vacuum pump is there, and this vacuum pump to control the or to create a vacuum inside the discharge tube. So this is about the setup of discharge tube or discharge tube, or you can say cathode rays experiment. William Crookes noted that gases are poor conductor of electricity in ordinary condition. So if in this setup when we are not passing electricity, so the gases are poor conductor of electricity. But when we passed conditions, what condition? One condition is high voltage. One condition is high voltage and low pressure and low pressure. When we passed these two conditions, high voltage and low pressure, so what happened to the gases? Gases become ionizable, means gases become good conductor of electricity. They forms ions. Gases forms inside the discharge tube what? Ions forms, and begun to flow from cathode to anode. Cathode to anode. Since these rays originated from where? From negative plate. So these are called what? Cathode rays. So this is all about the discovery of cathode rays. So when we pass these two conditions, high vacuum or high voltage, not vacuum, high voltage and low pressure, then the gases become good conductor of electricity and they begin flow from where? From cathode to anode, and the rays which are originated from cathode, that are called a cathode rays. So the William Crookes only gave the idea that the gases are become ionizable when we are passing a conditions, and the rays originated from the negative plate, that is called a cathode rays. But he could not explain the properties and constituents of the cathode rays, that what are the charges present in the cathode rays. So these were discovered by J.J. Thomson. He studied the characteristics and constituents of the cathode rays by this experiment only. By which experiment? Discharge tube and cathode rays tube.